Indicators of physical child abuse. 1. Location and type of injuries can indicate abuse, but usually the caregiver will deny that there's any problems. Need to check the following issues. Psychological and behavioral symptoms. Many injuries are covered by clothing of the child. Be aware that physical and behavioral indicators can indicate the possibility of physical abuse. B. Explanation of injuries. Many times certain physical injuries are in consonant with children abuse and they are with normal child development. C. Unexplained injuries. When a caretaker claims to have no knowledge of the injury or denies knowledge of how the injury occurred, a strong likelihood of physical abuse exists. D. Impossible explanation. An implausible or inconsistent statement about the injury is that with the common sense or medical judgment. E. Different versions of the incident. When both caretakers are present, they should be questioned separately. If the versions of incident are different, then physical abuse is highly likely. Difference explanations. The more the story of what happened is repeated and the more it changes is the indicator of physical abuse. They tell you the emergency room doctor one thing, then the social worker, then the nurse a different story to the investigator. Physical indicators. Unexplained bruising or welts that may be in various shapes of healing in clusters or unusual patterns or on several different areas. Unexplained burrs in the shape of cigarette, rope, or iron are caused by immersion, which may appear shock or glove-like. Unexplained lacratons to mouth, lips, arms, or torso. Unexplained skeleton injuries, stiff swollen joints, multiple spinal fracture, missing or loose teeth, human bite marks, bald spots, unexplained abrasions, appearance of injuries after school, absent weekend or vacation. Behavioral indicators. Behavioral. Easily frightened or fearful of adults and parents' physical contact when other children cry, destructive to self and others, extremes of behavior, aggressive or withdrawn, poor social, seems afraid to go home, learning problems, poor academic performance, short attention span, delayed language development, runaway or delinquent behavior, reporting unbelievable reasons for injuries, accident prone, wears clothes that are clearly meant to cover the body when not appropriate. Bruises can be exterminated from various aspects, times of injury, location, and pattern.